Heart attack. Hi YouTubers, and today I'll be showing you how to do the heart noise. Be quiet. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you how to do it. That's the one. Okay, now I'm gonna tell you how to do it. So it's something to do with your neck. So watch my neck here. It's right, literally, it's right there, but you can't see it because my camera is playing up. Anyway, if you want to learn how to do it, I'll do a tutorial. Wait. Can you hear that? Thanks for watching. If you sneeze on this video, bless you. Bye bye, and I'll see you later. Oops.